First time since 2002 in South Kakalaki. What's up, YouTube, and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. Today we're going to check out Hilton Head Island. We're going to check out the beaches. Let's go. So I got to visit Hilton Head Island, South Carolina for the very first time. Hilton Head is known for its beautiful beaches along the Atlantic Ocean and its beautiful golf courses. 12 miles of beaches. Of course, I didn't get a chance to go through all 12 miles, but I went to two beaches that we will show you in this video. It's also known for its Coastal Discovery Museum, in which I wish I had time to go visit. The museum's beautiful from everything that I heard. Unfortunately, I didn't have the time to go see it. And this heritage building with tree-themed gardens, which I love, are beautiful gardens. This is the Palmetto State, so it's known for beautiful trees, and there's beautiful trees everywhere in South Carolina. But let's check out these beautiful beaches here. It's a little cloudy out today, but thank goodness it's not supposed to rain. I got a long drive back, but anyway, it's a fantastic day to be alive, and it's always a great day to be on the beach. We know how much I love the beach. That was South Forest Beach, folks. Got two pits. Pretty nice beach. I really liked it. If I had more time, I would have spent more time here, but we're going to go back out and we're going to see another beach here in Hilton Head Island in a moment. Parking was pretty easy here. I really liked the parking for this particular beach. I was able to park and walk within 5 minutes to it, and there was plenty of parking available, so that was a major plus. So one catch for 6 yards. Now we're on our way to see another beach here. And there's a lot of different beaches. As I mentioned, there's 12 miles of ocean front. So I'm sure a lot of you, if you've been here before, you've been to a lot of beaches before, you know the area a lot better than I do. So this is my first visit. So I was just trying to check out some of the more popular beaches in the area, according to Google and TripAdvisor and whatnot. So, and I kind of stumbled upon the first one. And this one right here, there's a small parking area. I kind of stumbled upon this one right here. Really small parking area, and you have to pay by meter. don't tell anybody I didn't pay, because I came up to the parking meter and someone told me that the meter was jacked up and it charged them $200 to pay to park, and they had to call the city and they had to do all of these things to get their money back. So after he told me that, I was like, screw this, I'm just gonna park and come out here and, you know, get some video, get some pictures for this vlog, and I'm just gonna leave it at that. And that's what I did. I didn't pay a penny, but you should pay though. Really into bird watching, if you haven't noticed. It's a beautiful beach, very relaxing, no doubt about it. I love watching the birds though, really fun thing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, help us to grow as a travel community. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace.